30 inspirational quotes about hope. If we will be quiet and ready enough, we shall find compensation in every disappointment. Hope is itself a species of happiness, and, perhaps, the chief happiness which this world affords. Hope teaches endurance and an eager anticipation of that which will become reality. Children are the world's most valuable resource and its best hope for the future. He who has health has hope, and he who has hope has everything. In fact, hope is best gained after defeat and failure, because then inner strength and toughness is produced. Hope means expectancy when things are otherwise hopeless. You must not lose faith in humanity. Humanity is an ocean. If a few drops of the ocean are dirty, the ocean does not become dirty. When hope animates us, there is a vigor in the whole body. Neither should a ship rely on one small anchor, nor should life rest on a single hope. The nearer to heaven in hopes, the farther from earth in desires. We should not let our fears hold us back from pursuing our hopes. A strong mind always hopes, and has always cause to hope. Remember, hope is a good thing, maybe the best of things, and no good thing ever dies. The world needs less heat and more light. It needs less of the heat of anger, revenge, retaliation, and more of the light of ideas, faith, courage, aspiration, joy, love and hope. Never lose hope. Storms make people stronger and never last forever. At first we hope, too much, later on, not enough. Hope is a waking dream. Our fear must save our hope from swelling into presumption, and our hope must save our fear from sinking into despair. We dream to give ourselves hope. To stop dreaming, well, that's like saying you can never change your fate. Hope is not an emotion, it's a way of thinking or a cognitive process. The best bridge between despair and hope is a good night's sleep. All kids need is a little help, a little hope and somebody who believes in them. And thou shalt be secure because there is hope. Hope is the pillar that holds up the world. Hope is the dream of a waking man. Hope is the companion of power, and mother of success, for whoso hopes strongly has within him the gift of miracles. Without hope men are only half alive. With hope they dream and think and work. As long as we have hope, we have direction, the energy to move, and the map to move by. All human wisdom is summed up in 2 words, wait and hope. Courage is like love, it must have hope for nourishment.